Hey guys, today I will be challenging myself and replace every sound I hear in a goofy ass sound. So without further ado, let's start the challenge.
Pablo.
And that's just the beginning of what I will hear today. I think my phone's ringing. I have a call from an unknown number, but I don't think I can communicate with them. Hello?
We have your daughter. I know you love her dearly, but if you don't transfer $1 million, we will shoot her.
Huh?
I said...
Pablo.
Albert Einstein.
This is probably just a prank call, and I'm guessing they're saying, "Congrats, you won the lottery. Would you like to claim it?" Listen, man, I don't really care about that stuff.
My God, what a horrible father. You know, at least my father left me instead of not caring about me. Never mind, that's the same thing.